Happy learners, today we will see class 6th maths chapter number 2 exercise 2.1 solutions. Let us begin. Write the next three natural numbers after 10999. So we will see the answer. The next three natural, we'll just do the shortcut, numbers after 10999 are, so we will, the solution is to add 1. So adding 1 to this number gives us 11,000, 11,001, 11,002. Answer number 2. Write the three whole numbers occurring just before 10001. So we will see the answer. The three whole numbers occurring just before 10001 are, so what we're gonna do is subtract -1. This is +1, okay? So as we subtract 1 from this number, we get 1000. Okay, comma, now subtracting 1 from this number, so we get 4 9s. Now subtracting 1 more from this number is 9998. Answer number 3, solution 3, which is the smallest whole number? Okay, so the answer is the smallest whole number is 0. Okay. Answer 4. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? So the answer is there are 20 whole numbers between 32 and 53. So we see what 20 whole numbers are. So we see the whole numbers between 32 and 53 are 33, 34, 35, 36 and so on till 52. Before 53 is 52. So these are all the whole numbers. So all the numbers lying between 32 and 53 are whole numbers. Now we see solution number 5. Write the successor of 2440701, 100199, 10 and there are 5 9s, D 2345670. So we have to write the successor. So successors of A 2440701. So the thing we are doing here is, again, successor bola hai, so we are adding 1. Add 1. Okay. So let us see. Adding 1, last number में 02 आ जाएगा, right? 02. Also answer में हमको I think commas नहीं लगे हुए हैं proper, so we will put the commas. Now B. Next is 100 199. So adding the 1 will be 1 0 0 2 0 0. We can add the commas. C 1 0, and there are 5 9s. Okay, so that will make it to 11 and 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, last one. 2 3 4 5 6 7 0. The answer is 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. You can add the commas here also. You can add the commas. Okay, next question. Solution number 6. Write the predecessor of 94 4 zeros 208090 7654321. Okay, so we see the answer is solution of the sixth. First, A, the predecessor of 94 is 93. So what we're doing is subtracting 1 minus karna hai from the question. So predecessor means the lesser number. Next, B, 1000, we know 999. C, 208090. Answer will be 208089. Okay. D, 7654321. We will minus 1. Answer will be 76520. Now if you want, you can add the commas. So now we will see solution 7. In each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line. Also write them with appropriate signs, greater, lesser, or between them. So 530, 503. Let us see the first number. So they are saying कि these are the pairs given. इसमें हमको which whole number is on the left. So we have to mention the left side of the number line. Okay. So let us see the answer of first one. 530 is to the right of 503 on the number line because 530 is greater than 503. एक example बना के दिखा देती हूँ. So if we start the series of 500, so we see something here, then 503, and then we go on to 530, right? 503 पहले fall करता है, 530 बाद में fall करता है. So the left side of these two numbers is 503. So one need not draw this number line, but for the rough work you can draw it separately with pencil and then do it, or with pen also it will do. Anyways, coming to the solution, we see 503 is to the left, so 503 is on the left of 530. I'm so sorry. 530 on number line. So we write it in a sentence form, and then we also have to show it in the sign language, appropriate signs. So we say 503 and 530. So 530 is greater, so I have put it in this way. Okay, 530 is greater than 503. Next we come to the B part. Next one is 370 and 307. From the above solution we can understand that 307 is on the left because it is the 307 is on the left of 370 on number line because that is the smaller number. 307 is the smaller than 370. So we mention it like this: 307 and 370, which one is greater? Obviously 370, and 307 is smaller, so that is why it is on the left side. Okay, coming to C, 98765 56789. So over here we can see in the numerator 56789 is obviously the smaller number, so write the sentence like 56789 is on the left of 98765 on the number line. So we write as 56789 is lesser than 98765. Now we see the D1. So we see I'm directly writing the answer now. 9830415, and there is 1002301. So which one is the smaller? So we all understand that 983041 is the smaller number. So I write like 415 is on the left of 1002301. So again we have to mention it like this also: lesser than this number. Next question, question number 8. Let us read and we shall see the answer. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? So this is true or false. You have to read the statement. Let us see the first one. A. 0 is the smallest natural number. False. Why false? If you want, you can also write the statement as if I'm giving the reason. 0 is not the smallest natural number. It is the smallest whole number. Okay. 400 is the predecessor of 399. So the answer to the B is false. 400 is the successor of 399. So after adding 1 to 399, it comes 400. So it is not the predecessor, it is the successor. So again, it is false. We see C. 0 is the smallest whole number. So the answer is true. 0 is the smallest whole number. By mistake I have written false here. It's true. Now next, 600 is the successor of 599. So the answer of D is true. Why? 600 is the successor of 599. Because after adding 599 plus 1, adding 1 to it, it gives 600. That is why it is true. The statement is true. E. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Yes, this is true. All natural numbers are whole numbers is a statement. F. All whole numbers are natural numbers. False. Not all whole numbers are natural numbers. 0 is a whole number but not a natural number. G. The predecessor of two-digit number is never a single-digit number. So again, false. The predecessor of a two-digit number can be a single-digit number. Example, 10's predecessor is 9. H. 1 is the smallest whole number. False. 0 is the smallest whole number, not 1. So we say false. Now see I. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. So this is true. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. So because example for 1, minus 1 will be 0, and that's not a natural number. Now J. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. So false. The whole number 1 has a predecessor, which is 0. I'm so sorry for the I statement. That was the opposite which I wanted to say. So J is false. The whole number 1 has a predecessor, which is 0. Okay. K. The whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. So we know that it doesn't lie, 13 doesn't lie between 11 and 12. So obviously this is false. 13 is greater than 12. L. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. This is true. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. M. The successor of a two-digit number is always a two-digit number. False. The successor of a two-digit number is not always a two-digit number. Example, 99's successor is 100, a three-digit number, right? So that's it with today's exercise. In next class, in next video, we will see next exercise. Thank you. If you wish to see such videos and solutions on maths, you can obviously subscribe to our channel and like and share for your further studies. Thank you.